Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable the number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. As you will see right now, there is no separate number row, so in order to turn it on, go for the keyboard settings either by tapping on this gear icon, or you can just open up the general settings app. Here, scroll down until you stumble upon the additional settings category. At the additional settings, go for the languages and input. Here, at the input methods section, choose manage keyboards. Choose the keyboard that is currently active. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard, so tap on it. Here at the settings of the Gboard, go for the preferences, and basically all that it's left to do is to turn on this switch, and as you will see right now, we have successfully enabled the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard on this device. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!